What's going on, everybody? We don't have a lot of stuff going on today. We had work today and we had to squeeze a repair in after work, so just not don't have a whole lot of time out here today to work on project Lsxtreme, but we are out here and we're going to get something done. We're going to tackle the clutch install. We got the flywheel bolted up last night and torqued down. We're getting ready to put the pressure plate, clutch and pressure plate on, and I hope to actually get the transmission bolted to the motor too. Be one less or two less things we have to do later. So let's get to it. First step in this is take your clutch alignment tool, slide it in the clutch disc, line the splines up. Once you have it in there, then this end will go into the pilot bearing, which we already pressed in last night also. So we got the flywheel on and torqued and the pilot bearing pressed in also. So this just slides right into that. That aligns your clutch disc up. We'll take and put our disc, or that's our disc. This is our pressure plate. We'll take our pressure plate. There's two alignment dowels, one there, one there. Then we'll start our bolts, and we will use some red Loctite on these bolts too. These torque to 52 foot-pound, I believe, and we'll torque these down. And of course, once you have the bolts torqued down, you pull your alignment tool out. That was in there. I almost forgot, guys. Getting ready to install the transmission here, and we did pick up a new clutch slave cylinder, so we're definitely going to install that just to eliminate any issues. Did come with new bolts too. I suppose we might as well use them. We're going to put some red Loctite on these also, and the clutch kit did come with some spline lube, so we'll lube these splines up a little bit before we slip the trans on. We have our slave cylinder installed, a little bit of lube on the splines, and we are ready to put this transmission on that motor. There we go. We got our 5-speed bolted up to the 5.3. It's got the Texas speed cam installed. Everything's resealed. The whole bottom end's resealed. New pan gasket, front seal, front cover gasket, rear main seal, rear main cover seal, rear main seal cover gasket. So the whole bottom end's resealed. We have our new clutch, pressure plate, and actually flywheel is new too, and our slave cylinder in there also. So it's looking good. Pretty much buttoned up for this. This thing is pretty much ready to drop in the truck. We do have a new energy suspension trans mount. We'll bolt on there. We'll get that on there, and as soon as that brake line comes for that crossover, we can get that installed and get this motor and trans dropped in there. That'll be another big step. I hope to be able to get the front suspension completed tomorrow too. Like I said, hopefully that brake line comes and we can get this motor installed, but definitely it needs to be a roller by this weekend. So I have some other stuff I need to get in here. Anyway, like I said, we didn't have a whole lot of time to work out here today, but getting anything done is better than getting nothing done. So Sorry it wasn't more eventful, but thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.